Hello students, this is Miss Cano. Today we're going to be scientists. We also are going to do some writing, so this is a science and a writing assignment. It will be graded. We have to learn how to do informational writing in first grade, and the best way to do informational writing is to do some science writing. Our question is, how does light work? Pause the video and write that in your composition notebook. Now that you're finished writing that in your notebook, we are going to do an investigation and be a scientist. Follow along with me as I read. Some materials allow light to pass through them. Others allow only some light through, and others block all the light and create a dark shadow on any surface beyond them where the light cannot reach. Mirrors can be used to redirect a light beam. Please follow along. I am almost always with you. I go where you go. If you walk to school, I walk to school. At times, I am in front of you. Other times, I am behind you. Am I ever not there? If it is cloudy, I am not there. If you are in a dark room, I am not there. Do you know what I am? At times, I am really tall. Other times, I am very short. It really just depends. If you are outside in the morning, I am tall. In the late afternoon, I am also very tall. Around noon, I am short. I go where you go. You move and I move. I may appear on the ground. I may also appear on a wall. Do you know what I am? That's right. I am your shadow. Shadows can appear when light is blocked. Only certain things can have shadows. A glass window does not have a shadow. Do you know why? Light is able to pass through some material. Light can pass through glass. Shadows appear when light cannot pass through an object. Shadows are areas where light is blocked. Light travels in a straight line. If it didn't, it would wrap around you. You would not have a shadow. Because it does travel in a straight line, light is blocked by your shape. You move and your shadow moves. How can you make your shadow move? Where your shadow appears depends on where the light comes from. If light comes from your left, your shadow will be on your right. If the light is coming from behind you, your shadow will be in front of you. That's why your shadow changes during the day. The sun is a light source. If the sun is going down, your shadow will be long. If the sun is coming up, your shadow will be long. If the sun is directly over your head, where is your shadow? That's right. Your shadow will be below you. Your shadow is always opposite the light source. Where else can you see shadows? Do they move during the day? Look around and see how many objects have shadows. Do you see me? I am your shadow. Students, your assignment is to track your shadow 4 different times during the day. So you will take your writing notebook, you will write the time, and you're going to need help from an adult. And after the time, you will write one sentence about what your shadow looks like outside at that time. Now remember, we just stick to the facts. Informational writing is not what you think or what you feel. It's just going to be the facts. So please stick to the facts. Remember, you're going to do this sentence 4 times at different times of the day. When you submit your assignment, I should be able to see 4 sentences. Each will start with a capital letter. There will be spaces between the words, and there will be a period at the end.